Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Well, I'm ready for the snowfall, even though I don't want to be, and a lot of you should probably get ready for the snowfall as well. Thursday morning, we're all going to see the snow coming down, whether we like it or not. The good news, we're tracking warmer weather for this weekend, so let's get it out of the way. Let's head through hump day. It is going to be unfortunately cold moving forward through this morning, but the wind chills, not nearly as bad. We just looked at temperatures. It's kind of the same copy and paste between the ambient temperature and your wind chill this morning. No escaping the chill, though. It is quite cold out there, so make sure you bundle up. Great day to rock the gloves if you have them. 25 degrees for our Thursday, and then we start to see the warmth returning back to the Ohio Valley. It's not until Sunday, though, really. We'll have some sunshine on Sunday, nice southerly breeze. That's really going to be my pick of the week. The reason I'm not picking Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, cloud coverage returns, and we're back into the rain, so I'm not really excited about that, but at least we'll have some warmer temperatures. Here's what's going on locally. We're tracking the moisture already arriving from the south of I-70. Can't rule out, a few flurries down here in the southern portions. If you live in, the southern portion of Guernsey, Noble, Monroe, Tyler, Wetzel, maybe even Ohio and Marshall counties here, just for some light flurries. It's moisture moving up, colliding with much cooler air. Whether it turns into a falling flake or two, you be my guest. But something we'll keep an eye on, and I was just talking to John about this, the dew point depression. Right now it's about 9 degrees. The spread between the temperature and the dew point, they have to be right around 6 degrees difference for it to start to precipitate. So that means our atmosphere is a little bit dry right now, but eventually we're going to move in some more moisture because the cold air is going to move in behind it. So it's just kind of squeezing everything together, and that's what's going to allow it to eventually precipitate. But here's what's going on in our atmosphere. Through Wednesday, we're going to track this moisture moving down to the south. We're keeping an eye to the northwest for our snow to arrive on Thursday morning. So there's the snow for Thursday morning. All of us are dealing with it due to this northwesterly wind. We're turning on that lake effect snowmaker, and that's what's going to give us the chance for about 1.5 inches of snowfall in downtown Wheeling. Here's what's going on, though, moving forward. This low pressure system is going to start to move to our east. That's still keeping that northerly wind around. So it all depends on how much snow we're really going to see early Thursday morning up until about lunchtime. If we see any snow bands due to that northwesterly wind, that could give our northern counties just a little bit more than 1 inch of snowfall. But here's what we're talking for predictor. Here's timing it out. Through this afternoon, we'll see the snow kind of trickle in those flurries down south of I-70. I don't think it's going to impact our commute whatsoever. We'll have a little bit of sunshine before the cloud coverage starts to return early Thursday morning. So right around dinner time, we'll see a little bit of break in the clouds, and then here comes kind of the calm before the storm, if you will. There's the snowfall arriving right around 4 a.m. and then continuing through your Thursday morning. So you're probably going to get a 2-hour delay or a school cancellation from that. Make sure you check our website tonight for the details. We'll keep you posted on it. Here's a look at Friday, though. We'll head through Friday morning, just noticing a gradual clearing, some sunshine on Friday, but we stay below the freezing level. So the snow is going to stick around. 1/2 inch is possible south of I-70. Not promising anything, just possible to see some flurries kind of push up, a light dusting. All of us see the snowfall as we step into Thursday, and we are tracking about 1 inch, maybe just above 1 inch in downtown Wheeling. If you live down to the south and you see that 1/2 inch, if not, we'll just subtract that 1/2 inch. You're left somewhere with about 1.5 inches of snowfall as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll keep an eye on those snow bands to set up north of I-70 and closer to I-80, if I'm being honest. There's a look at Thursday, dealing with breezy conditions up to about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Warming back up above the freezing level Saturday into Sunday. Some sunshine on Sunday if you want to go for a little shopping spree over at the Tanger outlets. I know it's outside. It gets cold over there, so it's a perfect opportunity to do so. Monday into Tuesday, rain returns, but the temperatures upper 40s.